Hello everyone, this is the day after the storm. I was going to bring Miracle out here, but I thought I would come first because I didn't know if he'd want to come, depending on what the woods were like. And I'm glad I did. The water is literally flowing through the woods like it's a stream. We got over 5 inches of rain in just a couple of hours. The woods are totally flooded. It's like a string back here. I'm going to look at our pond, but I can really hear the frogs. Hear them? They like this rain. And there's no way of passing through here without just walking through the water. Oh, look, it filled up. I was just out here Sunday. Look, see, as I got closer, it went quiet. And checked on it, had some water in it. But look at how quickly it filled up. It never got full last year. It was so dry, we were in a drought, but there was just a little bit of water in there. Now look at it. And I'm going to go look at our stream. And I'm sure it's flowing, because the water's flowing in the woods. I'm sure it's flowing in the stream. What a mess. But anyway, hey, we needed rain. We've been in a drought. But even the woods are just boggy. Thanks for watching, everyone.